Well, after we held her and
Did
a little bit of massaging, I held her and Dawn was able to fix her. I'll show you what they do when they have prolapse, when the insides come out, usually before birth. So
what it says is it usually happens anywhere between a few days.
you can see now, you have to put that on, that harness on, and you put it on her and you crossways it. It goes crossways or across her to hold everything in.
So it holds her vaginal wall in. It's basically what's happening is she has a vaginal prolapse.
Should that be in the center of her
Her udder?
yeah, maybe move that over a little bit if you can.
I don't think it's, you know what I'm more worried about.
Well, as long as it stays.
Seems to be.
Anyways, this is things you go through, and
yeah. So right now we're on baby alert. She could be going any day. She could go in a week, but we know that based on this prolapse, she's getting ready to have a baby anytime now. Yeah. So based on her size, her waddle, her stance tells me that in her bag she's bagging up quite a bit. So we're probably looking at a lamb here very shortly. So we have to be on lamb alert.
Yeah, we do.
And as for these girls, there's probably a few more in here that are ready to lamb, but we don't know which ones. She has a bag, but she also came to us with one.
Some of them have birth before, so they.
So so this girl, it's hard to tell. She might be. We've got little Black Betty out here. Yes, the name is Black Betty, and she does look large.
Yeah, she is quite large.
So yeah. I'd say she's also on the verge of lambing, but
yeah.
Unfortunately, because of her skittish behavior, I can't get to her and I can't really handle her. So nature's just going to have to take its course with her. Might be a matter of grabbing a harness, pulling her into the livestock trailer once we know the time comes. But I won't be able to get my hands on her otherwise.
You're always licking my clothes, ain't you?
Yes, and there's Winnie. Winnie's always looking.
Hey guys, you guys are always looking for attention.
Oh, especially Snoopy.
Always. They're so friendly. It's unbelievable.
Yeah, oh, they are. Oh, Winnie. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl.
Hey, Claude, he's on the salt block there, going right at her.
Yeah, they do love their salt. And they're getting ready. They're anticipating and anxiously waiting some new hay. They love new hay day. They love when new hay comes out. So
You guys, all you do is lick people non-stop. All right, Wallace. I think this is about it. I got a few chores to do. Got to put some hay in some hay holders and
let them go to town for a little bit before it gets too dark and cold.
Exactly.
Because that tends to be when they kind of retreat for the night when it gets too cold.
We've had quite a cold snap here. It's been, what was today? Minus 20 was it today?
Today was minus 15 and that was without the wind chill. So yeah, she's been a chilly one.
Yeah. The wind chill is probably what? Minus?
I think they were saying minus 22 or 23 with the wind chill. So yeah.
That's chilly for during the day.
It is. It is.
She'll drop more at night. Anyways, I'll try to make another video here in the next couple days. See you.